Welcome! In this video I will show you how you can see dislikes on YouTube videos. So on this video here, YouTube Rewind 2018, we can see that we aren't able to see the dislikes. And in this video I will show you how to fix that on Google Chrome. It's actually really easy. Just open up a new tab and click the Webstore button. If you don't have that, just go to chromewebstore.google.com. It will be linked in the video description, and search for extension and themes, and here you search for YouTube dislike, like that, and here you will find many different extensions that will show dislikes on YouTube. I just recommend clicking the first one available, since they all work just the same. And once installed, we will go back to the video and we just reload it, and we will now be able to see the dislikes. That's it for this video, so thanks for watching and I will see you next time.